After taking part in the recent Manila Bay rehabilitation, Ramon Magsaysay awardee and activist for environmental legislation, Attorney Antonio Oposa Jr., comes to Cebu to talk about his IAmClimateJustice movement.
The title of this talk is "The Time for Talk is Over." For the last 30 years, sige tag talking, way himo. So karon, ang mga action will be taken by the young people. And this is not just in Cebu. This is all over the Philippines.
He conducted a talk last February 22 at the St. Teresa's College Auditorium with the junior and senior high school students.
So, I'm tired of talking to adults. Mga gahig-o ni mga dagkuan. Labi na nang naanas posisyon, mga dagko na posisyon. Gahi nag-o. So, ang akong gusto na lang pakikistoryahan, kining mga batanon.
Attorney Oposa discussed little things that the students themselves can do to protect the environment.
So I am climate justice means I have the power in my hands to render climate justice to future generations. Unsa man na, mag-usab ta sa atong kaugalingon. Una ta mangayo ining petisyon, usbon sa atong kaugalingon.
As part of the IAmClimateJustice movement, Attorney Oposa also talked about the signing of international environment petitions.
This is all happening on April 22. There will be simultaneous filing of petitions all around the Philippines in barangays.
These petitions included the implementation of the rain garden, which is a rainwater collector. This enables rainwater to penetrate to the ground as groundwater, which prevents flooding and may provide income as a vegetable garden. Another petition is for the implementation of road sharing, which involves the improvement of public transport that allows the roads to be shared with bikers and pedestrians instead of just individual private cars. These petitions call for the implementation of these projects that are already in the Philippine law as executive orders, but were not implemented by the local government units. Attorney Oposa proves to us that little acts towards protecting the environment becomes a huge leap in preventing the climate change when done by all. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Raya de Guzman.